So I'm going to show you how to disable keyboard vibrations on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. Now, before you do that, I would encourage all of you, especially if you're from the US, to download and install the Google keyboard, also known as Gboard, and use that as your default keyboard. So you can go to the Google Play Store, have it installed, and once it's installed, you can go into settings and then go to additional settings and then go to languages and input and then go to current keyboard. First of all, go to manage keyboards and make sure you enable Gboard after installing it. All right. Now, once you enable it, of course, Xiaomi will say that there's a risk there, but there's really none. So you can go here and now select Gboard to use as your default keyboard. Okay. Now, once you select Gboard as your default keyboard, you can tap on it and then go to settings, and that's going to open up your Google keyboard. So that's where you can go ahead and add different languages for your keyboard. Now, if you go back and then go to manage keyboards and then see Gboard, you can tap on Gboard there, and then now you can go into preferences. Then under preferences, you want to look for haptics or keyboard vibrations. So let's find it. Here it is, keyboard vibration, and then you can turn it off from here. So now whenever you're using your Gboard as your main keyboard, there'll be no haptics or vibrations. Thanks for watching and good luck.